Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Baz promised Dr. G and the Tall Man here in studio today. We've talked to him through the morning, and now they're going to perform at least what's my favorite song of theirs. It's called Happy. Gentlemen, take it away.
All right. 3, 4. Did you know that this thing would make us happy? And what did you do when you knew it was real? It's been so long since you had this in your heart. You're telling me now that we'll never be apart. When I came back, everything seemed so new. I swear all your friends said they had not a clue. And now as our lives are on the verge of a change, you've got to know it's been so hard to rearrange. Where will we go if this falls apart? And what will I do with the pieces of my heart? What will you say when I ask what's on your mind? You know that I'm far too old for this same old grind. Don't tell me one thing, then do quite another. You said that you'd never turn into your dear old mother. Go if this falls apart? And what will I do with the pieces of my heart? How did you know that this thing would make us happy? And have you changed now that you are older too? As we go round on this spinning piece of ground, you are the one truly love that I have found. How did you know that this love would make us happy? How did you know that this love would make us happy? How did you know that this love would make us happy? How did you know that this love would make us happy?